What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Part 3 dirt bike build today. Today we're going to be putting the plastics and wrap that were done in part 1 and the seat from part 2. I'll link to them down in the bio, or maybe I'll even put them up here. We're going to be putting them on the bike. It's 39 degrees out today on February 20th. There's absolutely no snow, can't ride. So I was going to bring the dirt bike into the kitchen and do it there, but instead we're just gonna do it on the back deck because I just cleaned the floors and I don't want to make a mess. So yeah, just gonna do a quick little kind of transition thing, just because it is cold out. I don't want to set my phone up in time lapse and have it die, and then I'll kind of give you a walk around once it's all on. All right, y'all, so this is not the final product. This is just the final look that it's gonna get in this video. Still gonna do black wheels, still obviously gotta clean it up. It's a little dusty, you can see here and there. Get a different set of handlebars, different bar pad, and a few other things. Bailey, get out of the shot, you're wrecking it. But anyway, SKDA wrap, Cerbis or Cerbis plastics, not sure how you say all that. We're gonna do something on the fork guards right here. Probably not going to do anything extra special other than a set of just powder coated black wheels. This bike already has the TI6 exhaust. Maybe get a new sticker and make that look a little bit nicer. It's got to go in for a valve job here soon just to get it ready. Ignore the dirty seat. It's from my dirty hands. So, and then obviously gonna probably do the same exact grips that these ones are. Just get some new ones. Again, probably do something on there. But other than that, she's pretty much ready to go. I told you guys it was gonna be a budget build, and this bike already has a bunch of stuff done to it. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. This bike's gonna get ridden a whole lot this summer. Planning on racing, so stay tuned to either see me break a bone or maybe bring home a few trophies. Hey Brooks, is that pretty cool?
Cool.
Right?
What?
Are you gonna ride dirt bikes?